Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing some swatches for you. I bought a Model 1 gel kit for the Black Friday sale and I wanted to swatch the gel polishes in the kit and also do a gel polish design on the powder nails. So these are all the beautiful colors. There's no color name, however, there is numbers at the back. So I'll leave the numbers on top of the screen. I cured each coat for 60 seconds in the LED lamp that's also given in the gel polish kit. Most of them required 3 layers of polish except for the temperature changing one right here, which is so gorgeous by the way. All of the colors are gorgeous. This temperature changing polish I did 2 layers, and this gold one needed 3 and 4 layers, but I only did 3 because it looked good on 3, but in order to reach full opacity you needed to do a bit more, but it still looked good with the 3 layers I did. The colors aren't bold colors, they are very sheer and subtle colors and I loved it. I'll be using the pink one, the first one I did, and a peach color that I'll be doing, and also the white to do my nails. The white color reached full opacity on the first coat, but I did a second one just because it felt weird just doing one coat. Who does one coat? Also, the polygels were quite nice too. The pink was a natural sheer color and the clear color was clear, however it could have been clearer in my opinion, you know. I liked everything in this kit. It comes with everything needed to do a full set of nails. I'll leave a link to the haul I did with this kit and I highly recommend this Model 1 kit. It's so nice. I love it. This burgundy color was quite sheer on the first coat and the second coat achieved full opacity. You could have done a third, but I left it like that because I thought it was looking nice. And also this peach color, this is the one I'm using to do my design. It's very sheer on the first coat as well. It reached full opacity on the third coat. All of the colors are just gorgeous. So this was my first time using gel and polygel, and boy was I doing the most. I really loved working with it, and I realized that polygel is very sticky. It took a while to get used to. There is a learning curve when dealing with polygel, but it was nice working with it. I still have a lot of practice to do with polygel because I don't know. You just need to practice with it, but it's really nice to work with. And also gel it isn't easy working with gel. Like, it gets so thick so fast, you know, because I'm so accustomed with normal polish. It took a while to get used to. I'm still kind of getting used to it. So anyway, today I'm doing a gel design on some dip powder nail set. I did this design on my mother a while back, but she didn't want to be filmed, so I decided to do it on swatch sticks because you all know my right hand is on sick leave. I'll leave a link to that video where I explained it. So I'll be using Cherael Natural to do this nail design. I filed the nails just like I do when prepping my natural nails, and I'll be doing 3 layers of natural. Cherael Natural, that is. If it was my natural nails, I would be applying bond to dehydrate the nails and then going in with the dipping. But it's swatch sticks, so you know. After the 3 layers, I also dipped into clear acrylic as well. Then I apply activator and filed off camera. Now this is after filing, and I do not apply activator because we are doing gel, so activator isn't necessary here. So the colors I'm using are the peach and the pink color that you all saw in my swatch review. So the pink nail, I did 3 layers, but you would only be seeing me do 1 layer. I cured for 60 seconds between each layer. The peach nail, I did 2 swatch sticks with this color, and I did 3 layers as well, but you'll only be seeing me do 1 layer. I also cured for 60 seconds between each layer. So now I apply top coat to the nails and cured for 60 seconds as well. So on one of the nails, I applied a star glitter before I cured it. As you know from my thumbnail, I'll be doing a sweater nail, Christmas nail, and snowflake nail with the gel polish. It's really easy for it to get bulky, so I had to perfect the shape again after I cured the top coat. Nothing much, but I thought I'd mention it. So starting with the sweater nail, I have some of the gel on a piece of paper, and I'm taking a thin brush to do the nail design. If you wanted a matte finish, you would just add matte top coat instead of the glossy top coat. Or if you don't have matte top coat, you could just file the glossy top coat with a smooth file and it would become matte. But I liked it shiny. So first I'm painting 2 lines down the center of the nails with the pink color, and this is after I have top coated and wiped the nails off with alcohol. Don't forget that part. Then I'm applying L shapes down the middle of the 2 lines. I hope you all can see it. Because of the shiny background, it might be a bit difficult, but bear with me, guys. Then on each side of the lines, I'm doing diagonal lines. Then using clear dip powder, I pour the powder over the design. Then I tap off the excess and place it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Once it's done, I brush off the excess. So for the Christmas tree nail, I'm using the white gel polish and the thin nail art brush. As you can see, before I cured the top coat, I applied a star to the nail. So now I'm just using a zigzag motion to create a sort of Christmas tree nail design. Then when I was finished, I poured some diamond dust glitter on the nail, and then I cured for 60 seconds. And then I dusted off the excess, and this is the Christmas tree. So for the snowflake nail, I'm using the same white nail polish. I already wiped the nail with alcohol, so starting from the outside in, I'm drawing the lines for the snowflake. Then on every other line, I'm doing lines on the arms of the lines, if that makes any sense at all. Then using my dotting tool to put some dots on the other arms, just one on each. And before I cure the nail, I sprinkle some diamond dust glitter on the nail. And then I dusted off the excess when it was finished curing. So when I was finished, I applied cuticle oil. If this was a real hand, you would wait a few minutes for the nails to cool down and then apply the cuticle oil. So if you like this video, you're gonna want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the links you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!